This is a 80s Sony model ICF-C3W in excellent condition. Everything works. So this is playing FM right now. This is AM.
And calling people out. The cause of that?
That's specializedinsurance.com.
Kick off the season in a brand new.
This is how you set the clock. You push this button, and then you do that, and then
For 24 months,
that's
new
asleep.
Kia Sportage LX, only $259 per month for 36 months. Or a new 2025 Telluride.
and then to set the alarm. Set the alarm, you go here, and then to turn the alarm on,
Early, the Kia for life.
you go here, and then here's the sleep.
Control the kickoffs on a free smart TV with same-day Kia. Kick off the season right at Steve Canada's Smithtown Kia, Middle Country Road in Smithtown.
Okay, everything works like it should. Let's see, is there alarm reset? This is sleep. This is the snooze. Okay, everything works.